it's alright. I hear you talking, but your words don't mean a thing. I thought you ever put your heart in anything. It's not meant to ask for, to give out what I put in. But I do so always, and I mean, it makes no difference who is right or wrong. I deserve much more than this, 'cause there's only one thing I want. If it's not what you're made of, you're not what I'm looking for. You ain't willing, but unable to give me any more. There's no way you're changing. Some things will just never be mine. You're not in love this time, but it's alright. What's your definition of a world? What do you really want him to become? No, no matter what I sacrifice, it's still never enough. It's like I predicted I would see before I